Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. Today, we will cover two examples. In our first example, we will sort data based on one column. In this table, we have student information and their grades, and we will sort the data based on name column. Navigate to Data tab, Sort. When Sort window appears, come to Sort by, choose Name. Here we have A to Z, alphabetical. Okay, as you can see here, it's sorted alphabetically. Now let us move to the second example. Here we have repeated names such as Ahmed, Sarah, and we will sort them based on the name column and exam scores. Select your data, again Data tab, Sort. Here, Name, again alphabetically A to Z. Come to Add Level. This time choose exam score from the largest to the smallest. Here, as you can see, it sorted our data alphabetically and the score from the largest to the smallest. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.